deal that it will be a long subject. We'll treat it next time.
Another time, sure.
Now, Ghana nyan independence year. Ghana nyan independence year. And you started say you discuss you call other sub-regions. At that time, the wealth, the money Ghana had, it was 3 times the wealth of Canada, the wealth of New Zealand, and the wealth of Australia.
Of course,
because time abrofono, you handle independence, and I've just you handle independence, So about watch out, and Chromaji independence. The mistake that we did in the independence in we gave them they know about this history. Ghana ordered repatriation of the British from this country. Yes, we did a deportation order for the British post-independent. A whole a problem by. And Nkrumah and the people at the time, the British upset immediately. So the British were forcibly evacuated from the soil of Ghana and like your friends in Senegal. So the British in Ghana ye independence got just so those people at the time, governors in British Army, Royal Army, Mami we are. Yes. And obefa omdom ko gu Dakar and prepare omdom koye. And let me tell you, the wealth of Ghana, Sikani war, why is Sikani de be depleted here? At that time, now Ghana was more than 4 billion British pounds, which was bigger than Australia, bigger than Canada, and bigger than New Zealand.
Yeah.
What they say? Who are the big 4 Commonwealth? Our UK no home.